Okay, in this video, we're gonna be showing you how to do the gastroc stretch. Now, Ashley, turn around. If we come down here, the gastroc is the muscle that attaches here, comes up above the knee slightly and goes all the way down into your heel. So for this stretch, it's good to do before you run, after you run, anything lower body, great stretch to do at home. You don't need anything except a wall. So we're gonna be stretching her right leg. Important notes. Toe pointed forward, not to the side. People will do that to make it easier. Don't do that. Or don't overdo it on the inside. Straight with the toe, knees straight, hips driving into the wall, and she can bend her elbows to help with that as well. Keeping the knees straight, heel stays on the floor the whole time. You should feel it through here. You hold it for about 30 seconds. Sometimes you can even do a minute depending on what you can handle. But don't overdo it. Remember, you're stretching that back leg. So let's switch legs just to show. Remember, toe facing forward, knee stays straight, stretching here, hips driving to the wall, bending the arms. That's how you do a gastroc stretch.